ನನ್ನ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳ ಉಡುಪುಗಳನ್ನು ವಿವಸ್ತ್ರಗೊಳಿಸಿ
Most inhuman blood.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಐಒ co-accused?
Who was along with her as to how even she was stripped on that day. Even she was stripped on that day. Para number 2, my lords. Not only the deceased,
No, that I see in the death note also.
even this petitioner was
Jagdish,
also stripped on that day.
Even this in the death note also, if you see this, the same thing is there. ನನ್ನ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳ ಉಡುಪುಗಳನ್ನು ವಿವಸ್ತ್ರಗೊಳಿಸಿ
Most inhuman blood.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಐಒ?
There is no problem, my lord. I must say, my lord, there is no problem.
Now we will have to file a petition for change of IO, because if this is a state, other
No, that-
petitioners also
That's a
will
different
not.
issue, my lord.
So that's
All
all
these
right.
things we will.
Now I'm examining the
Yes,
death of
yes.
the advocate. Will see. Yes,
Not so far as
investigation ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು.
correct, my liberty may be secured, and so far as
What liberty?
my lords, I'll cooperate with the investigation. Now she comes and says that my lords, 25 lakhs and all those things is unheard of. 17A permission. My lord, legally your lordship may examine this.
ಅದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ investigation ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
PC Act ಇದು ಅಮಲ್
initial bar.
ಅದು
ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
there is a separate mechanism for
There is initial bar. So therefore, my lords, my submission is that your lordships, my lords, may supervise this as submitted by learned SPP. My lords, I can be taken out of the investigation. I don't latch on to any case. Your lordship may let them pass an order, superior, constitute a SIT, or let them investigate threadbare. Let the
SIT.
truth come out.
SIT is a
No,
replacement
if
of.
my friend.
It is
trying
like,
to-
Lord, it is like I telling another lawyer is very good lawyer. He does not do any other.
Lords, it is not. It is not.
It is a
whom I am
one
going to
police
suggest
officer will
officer.
tell the another police
I leave it
officer.
to your lordships on that issue. I am only, my lords, as officer of the court, I am placing before my propositions before your lordships.
Purely, Lord, in the police
And so far
force,
as this is
there is
concerned-
lot of inner currents of connectivity. One officer will be connected to another
Of course,
officer.
connectivity should be there. In
Should
the
be there, of
force.
course. Your lordship.
That's not.
Yes,
That's not.
but
That's
that
not
will-
alien
yes,
concept.
that
should
will
force-
prejudice the investigation, Lord.
As
It
I
has
say,
to
my
be
lord.
by an independent.
Yeah,
This is the
CBI.
first death of this case.
Allah, the
No, that's
main
anyway,
case
that's
merits, Lord, we are not concerned.
But
Main case merits.
she's
if I-
make-
Totally Bowie Corporation scam alleged scam ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ?
Other, there are 6 complaints, total 196 crores anta we hear.
196 crores.
196 different
He
complaints.
herself make a statement.
This issue is about 3.75 crores.
No, it's about more than 10 crores.
Yes.
Yes.
Two companies have
Perhaps.
received. One company.
But on the whole, it is 200, close to 200 crores.
Close to 200 crores.
Initially,
And
there was a financial allegation against some of the IVOs. I must say, my lord. Therefore, the IVOs have been changed. Integrity of the IVOs was
In question.
in question. Therefore, IVOs was
ಈಗ
changed.
CID ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. CID ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅಯೋನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. But this is widely known how an officer comes into CID.
It's all right. But there is an allegation which is absolutely grave in the
My lords,
death note.
I am not on that point. My lords, what I am requesting is, your lordships are, my lords, my making a submission. Your lordship
So
can
this
monitor it.
lady, if she wanted to investigate, she should have investigated. Where is the question of stripping or
But all these things, my lord, is there are other officers.
stripping or examining every private part of the body to see whether they are carrying any device,
But
recording
it is
device
not
and other
Things,
things.
my
What
lord,
is
there are
all
other
that?
officers were present. It is not that it was done only when this thing. Every time there is other women and other male staff were present, they can be examined and to see whether all these things have been done or
It's
not.
only a
done.
frisky-
I must say, my lord, there
Not
are
have been driven.
people behind.
She would not have been driven to this extent, but for that activity that day, which has driven her to, her both parents died in COVID.
My lords, if the
She
incident
is
has
alone
happened on
with her
14th,
sister, living
stripping
with
has
her
happened on
sister.
14th.
She is
Not
living
according
alone.
to the death note, my lords, I have not seen it. It is on 14th. Then, my lords, she has come
Death
next.
note is not on 14th.
No, it's must be on
Frisking.
frisking about.
Huh.
Frisking ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I don't know which, if it mentions.
1411. It says in the affidavit, it says 1411.
1411.
Client and ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
1511.
And all these things, my lord, your lordship may say only
Subsequently, she has
subsequent
appeared.
coordinate bench order.
Subsequently, she had
No, no,
appeared for.
That is at paragraph 3. There are about 20 paragraphs here.
My lord,
The narration goes on.
No. What I'm trying to point out is so-called stripping has taken place on 15th. She has appeared on subsequent dates. 21st also she has come to us. We have taken her for a spot master. Then she leaves
All
the
this
office.
is-
Sir, one
All
second.
this is
Sir,
after
one
we
second.
file the affidavit
1 second, sir.
before
It's
lordship.
all right, yes. But Venkateswar, it needs an
But
investigation.
7A, my lords, they can't.
It needs an investigation.
Correct. 7A, they can't. On face of it, my lords.
I will see.
17A bars it.
Maybe the Prevention of Corruption Act ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Just to give a
ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
good case for a prosecution.
No, no. Then legal snag comes in under 17A.
Yes. Sanction.
Approval.
My lords, we are at your
At least
lordship's hand.
preliminary investigation, not
Lords.
before cognizance.
17A.
Inquiry, investigation, everything is prohibited. My lords,
Not 306, that is 108.
before concluding, my lords.
New
I am-
BNS.
We are at your lordship.
ಅದನ್ನ investigation.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಅದು ಹೋಗಿ.
We are at your
So
lordship.
far as this is concerned, my lord, let the state government take a stand and come back before your lordships
That we will
on
do.
this PC Act.
ಅಲ್ಲ PC Act ಬಿಡಿ. Now 306 investigation act.
Yes, ma'am.
It has to happen. Because if one reads the death note, it is
It has to be investigated, ma'am.
horrible.
I'm Lord, let the CBI report to your lordships. So and to ensure fairness.
We'll see. What do you say
But
about
in fact,
transferring salary?
today there is a judgment of Honorable Apex Court. It is not over. I'm sorry. Second. With reference to R.K. Kapoor Medical College, not the Honorable Supreme Court has said that CBI is not a remedy for everything. We will monitor, or the Calcutta High Court will monitor. The hand-picked officer is chosen by the court. Then, my lord, they say go and investigate. My lord, that could be the parameters. It is not yet to come out in the. Today it was passed. So, my lord, it is only a suggestion. Let my learned friend not say that one advocate is praising another
Cases
advocate.
where
There is nothing like this.
officers, not in cases where officers are are at the level of inspectors, not there would be enough seniority to take care of such
DIG
instances.
DIG ಮಾಡಿ.
But now this is the DYSP, and he is a high officer. She is a high officer. It is only an independent agency like CBI which can go into objective material, collect this material, place it before your lordship,
Arthur Garg.
and then step by step go into prosecution. And not to ensure fairness for either side, let it be monitored by your lordships. But if CBI does not go into this lot, like they were about to bury the death note at the initial stage itself, they may bury several pieces of evidence, which is most dangerous for this investigation.
Not something.
And
can
it
be
is
off the
necessary.
record.
It is necessary that in such
Something
cases,
my friend should
this is
not
an
make a
offense
statement
against
like
this is an offense against public, using powers of police to degrade the victim and then push her to this extent. I think this is a case which calls for CBI investigation only, Lord. This is rarest of rare in India. We have seen custody deaths, but driving the mental state of a accused to this extent in investigation, that death note itself is self-explanatory, Lord, and gives prima facie evidence on these issues. So if CBI can investigate this, then it could be perfectly handled by them.
I'll pass orders tomorrow. You have any objection? To what you have objection? In case the application transfer to CBI, you have objection?
I will have to consult the state, my lord. I can't be making the statement.
All right, ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿ ನಾಳೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. We'll pass orders tomorrow. By then you secure instructions.